Hey guys, so let's continue on with the cerebral information. So we covered cerebellum, we did all of those. What we have to do is talk about the midbrain, pons, and medulla. So I like to draw it this way. The midbrain, pons, and medulla are a part of what we call the brain stem. And the function of the brain stem is anything that is vital to living. So anything that's necessary for us to live. There's three parts to the brain stem, and I draw it like this for a reason. Okay, there's the brain stem. So I have three parts. The first part is called the midbrain, and then the second part is called the pons. The third part is called the medulla or the medulla oblongata. And the way that you remember these and what you find at different layers for this is I like to do the pons first. So I can't do this when we're doing just like FaceTime here. Normally in class I'd have a group of students come up to the front of the class and then they do some kind of cheering. And so the cheering goes like this. Sorry, I apologize, but this is what we have to do in order for this to be fun. Yay! So it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? Pons. Pons. Yay, pons. I know, horrible. I'm more energetic whenever there's like a stage, but we don't have a stage. All I have is a door as my audience. And of course, you guys. So here we go. What were the numbers again? 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? Pons. Pons. Yay, pons. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8 are actually cranial nerve numbers. So we said cranial nerves, there were 12, right? 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 originate in the pons. So 1 and 2, cranial nerves 1 and 2 are actually a part of the brain. So they're extensions off of the brain at different points. So they're, you know how they always say the eyes are the windows to the soul? Well, the eyes are technically an extension off the brain. So if you have dysfunction in the eye, a lot of times it's a reflection of what's going on directly in the brain. Cranial nerves, so we have 1 and 2 are used up in the brain, right? We used up 5, 6, 7, 8. What do we have left over? Let's do the easy one. What's after 8? So 9, 10, 11, and 12 are part of the medulla. They originate in the medulla and then they extend outward to different parts of the body. What about midbrain? Well, the only thing that's left over is 3 and 4. So as long as you remember 5, 6, 7, 8, who do we appreciate? Pons. Pons. Yay, pons. And you're going to remember the rest of them. So 1 and 2 are in the brain. And how do you remember 1 and 2 are in the brain?